Some big news in New York today. A state appeals court has thrown out the massive civil fraud penalty imposed on Donald Trump, $500 million plus, calling it excessive. In a 2014 civil fraud ruling, Trump and associated entities were ordered to pay roughly $364 million in disgorgement plus other penalties, bringing the total to nearly $500 million. The appellate court upheld Trump's liability but struck down the financial penalty, ruling it a violation of the Eighth Amendment ban on excessive fines. Trump, of course, celebrated the ruling as a total victory, though the underlying charges remain and New York Attorney General Letitia James plans to appeal. This doesn't end the case. Trump may still face appeals and the core allegations stand. Letitia James' office is expected to push the fight further. We'll keep you updated on this high-stakes legal drama as it continues. And in other news, the US and European Union have unveiled a major trade framework agreement, and it's landed with some bold moves on both sides. The US will impose a 15% tariff on the majority of EU imports, including automobiles, pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, and lumber. In turn, the EU will eliminate tariffs on US industrial goods and increase access for US agricultural seafood exports. The deal includes commitment, i.e., the EU is to purchase $750 billion in US energy products, $40 billion in AI chips, and invest $600 billion in US strategic sectors. Many aspects remain to be negotiated, particularly tariffs on wine, spirits, steel, aircraft, and sectors like digital trade and rules of origin. The framework is politically symbolic and non-binding and awaits legislative ratification. It's a historic framework, but still a work in progress. Markets hope for relief in weeks, but the full agreement hinges on final negotiations in Washington and Brussels. We'll keep tracking how this unfolds. In other news, the Putin and Zelenskyy meeting, is it really happening? Talks of a Putin and Zelenskyy meeting continue to swirl, but is it really going to happen? Let's break down what we know currently. The White House has confirmed that Putin has agreed to a bilateral meeting with Zelenskyy, potentially followed by a trilateral meeting including President Trump. Despite the agreement, Moscow's recent intense bombardment of Ukraine and reluctance indicate the situation remains volatile. The White House has not confirmed when or if such a meeting is actually going to take place. Analysts see challenges ahead. Trump's special envoy and the US officials are actively coordinating to facilitate the meeting, but there's no public timeline set yet. A Putin-Zelenskyy meeting could be a game changer, but for now, it's still tentative. With tensions high and details sparse, we'll be watching closely for any breakthrough. And this has been Mr. E for What's Hot News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.